This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Samsung Company main challenges. Samsung is one of the leading manufacturers and distributors of electronic products in the world. Over the last 10 years, the firm has experienced impressive market growth because of its marketing strategies. According to Chang, Samsung has become the leading electronic firm in the global market because of the pricing and market communication strategies. Most of its high-end products are fairly priced compared to those of its major competitors such as Apple Incorporated. It has also learned the art of communicating with its clients in the market. However, the firm is now facing a number of challenges that may affect its profitability in the market. In this paper, the researcher seeks to analyze the main challenge that this firm is currently facing. According to Bradley and McDonald, the biggest marketing challenge that is currently facing the firm is how to sell its smartphone to organizational buyers. This is considered the main problem facing Samsung Incorporated because organizational buyers no longer trust its products. In order to succeed in the current market, Samsung cannot afford to ignore this market segment. Chang says that organizational buyers are becoming important to firms because of their purchasing power. Many firms are now using smartphones and other related electronic gadgets to address various activities. Multinational corporations rely heavily on these devices to monitor the operations at various branches across the world. Firms such as BlackBerry and Apple have remained very successful in marketing to the organizational buyers. However, many firms have rejected Samsung devices citing a number of reasons. The major reason why Samsung smartphones and other communication gadgets are less popular among organizational buyers is because of the issue of security. Samsung's smartphone runs on Google's open-source Android OS. This operating system is more vulnerable to viruses and can easily be hacked as opposed to that which is used by Apple Incorporated and BlackBerry. According to Butow and Watson, the chief executive officer of Samsung admitted that the operating system used by the firm's smartphone has a number of security problems. This confession came after complaints from some of the organizational buyers who had used the Samsung communication gadgets. These customers complained that their data was easily breached because of a poor security system. They also complained that they were slowed in their work because of the constant malware interference every time they went online. The complaints have earned Samsung a negative image in the market. Organizational buyers no longer trust their communication gadgets. As Doole and Lowe say, firms highly value the security of their data. In order to have a competitive edge over market rivals, it is necessary to have superior marketing and production strategies. Such strategies should not be accessible to rival firms. To do this, these organizations need communication gadgets that can protect their internal database, even when it goes online. However, it has been proven that Samsung gadgets cannot offer this security. The breach of private data by third parties can cause serious consequences depending on the database that has been compromised. Sometimes hackers may destroy important files that are needed for normal operations. When this happens, such a firm will be grounded until such a time that the mess can be addressed. In order to win the trust of the organizational buyers, Samsung will have to address the weaknesses that have been identified in its communication gadgets. It may take longer to win back this trust, but it is the only way of addressing this marketing problem. This essay on Samsung Company main challenges was written and submitted by your fellow student. You are free to use it for research and reference purposes in order to write your own paper. However, you must cite it accordingly.